A butterfly flapping its wing in the Brazil can be the reason to make the tornado in the Texas. Do you agree with this statement? This statement was said by Edward Lorenz. He is the founder of chaos theory, which is also known as butterfly effect. Do you know what is butterfly effect and is this statement true or not? So to know this, watch this video. I'm gonna tell about this in this video. So without any lagging, let's get in. One day, while Edward Lorenz was giving the details to the computer to predict the weather, he was giving all the details like wind speed, wind pressure, and humidity, all these details to the computer to show the results that how the weather would be. After entering all the details to the computer, he got the results from the computer and he wanted to recheck it once again, so he gave all the details again. Then he went out to drink the tea. And when he came back, he was shocked because all the details were exactly opposite to the results which were the first. So first he thought that this is the fault of the computer. Then after seeing it more detailedly, then he noticed that he did a small change in it. While checking it for the first time, he entered the number as 0.506127. And while checking it for the second time, he entered the number as 0.506 because he thought that the numbers after the point does not have much value, so that he gave that number as 0.506. This is the reason why he got different numbers for the first time and second time. After looking at this all, an idea cracked his mind. He thought that very small changes can also impact on bigger changes in the future, so that he introduced the butterfly theory to the world. The butterfly effect simply deals with the unpredictability in complex systems. So what are complex systems, right? Complex systems are simply sensitive things. For example, weather prediction is very sensitive here. So he got different numbers for the first time and second time. Because a small thing can also change the total weather. He might be entered the number wrong in the humidity or the air speed or wherever something, so that he got different results from first. And like this, there are lots of examples of sensitive things. For example, stock market is also sensitive. Now let us look at the statement what he said. Edward Loring said this statement while giving a speech. He said that a butterfly flapping its wing in the Brazil can be the reason to cause the tornado in the Texas. Does this really happen? The answer is no. Because if a butterfly would be the reason to cause tornado, then there would be lots of tornadoes in the world every second. Because the butterflies would be always flapping its wings somewhere in the world. This theory got its name as a butterfly effect because of his statement of the butterfly flapping its wing, or else its original name is chaos theory. He used this statement because he wants to express the people that a small or the sensitive thing can cause very big impact on the future. Butterfly flapping its wing is a very sensitive thing and the tornado is very big thing. So he compared these two to show that small things can impact on bigger changes, that's all. But this is not true. Let's look at an example for butterfly effect. Rajinikanth, the man who we know as Thalaiva, was a bus conductor before. One day a passenger in the bus said him that you have a unique style, why don't you try in the film industry? Then after listening to his words, he got interested on getting into the film industry and so he tried it and he became a famous South Indian actor. So look here, butterfly effect is working. If the man in the bus would not say him that, then there won't be any films of him and there won't be any grace of him and there won't be any fans of him. So look here, a thought in the bus passenger's mind changed all the life of South Indian film industry and lots of fans' life. Like this, small changes can also impact on bigger changes in the future. This is how butterfly effect works. There are lots of examples for this in our history. So I used only this example to make you know. And this is the butterfly effect, guys. This butterfly effect also happens in your life. Start observing in your life. A small change in your life can change all your future. So this is what the butterfly effect or the chaos theory is. Hope you got it, guys. I'll be back with other interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.